Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are embarking an exciting journey of creating a professional website for free using My Durable AI. Follow these 10 steps with me and get your website live. The first step is the breeze. Simply sign up with your Google account to get started on our website creation adventure. Let's make this process smooth and hassle-free. Before sign up, it shows build your website in 30 seconds. Hmm, very interesting. So for now, declare what type of website you need. Here I am choose social media marketing. Location of business is indoor MP. And lastly, choose the name of your business. Whether it is for business, blog or personal portfolio, My Durable AI has you covered. Let's tailor your website to suit your unique needs. Here, My Durable AI is generated your website in just 30 seconds according to its promise. And its UI look like a wow. It's very simple and colorful. Now click on this customize button. Here you got sign up option. Simply sign up with Google account. After sign up, you will be on editing interface. Here you can edit header, make changes here like adding some new buttons of external and internal link. Now scroll down here and edit banner. Make changes according to you. Here I am connect this button with my email address, just for example. Now scroll down. When you see the service section, here you can edit every subsection of it, like images by upload your own or find from stock images. And you can change your description of images also and other things. And you can add a new section also like here I am adding price level. And remember that after every minor change, you should save the website. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible feature of My Durable AI has to offer. From seamless navigation to stunning designs, we are diving into all reasons why My Durable AI is a game changer. Let's explore the website option here. In preview section, you can see your website preview. In analytics section, you will find online user count, unique visitors, and page view count. In optimize section, you will find custom domain name, creating blogs, and add social media links. In domain section, you can manage your website domain by clicking on manage. In marketing section, you will have brand, promotion, and review section. Here you will get a brand section where you can add your logo and change brand color also. In CRM, you will got customer email addresses. And last, invoicing. It is used for those who sell something through website. But before it, you need to purchase any premium plan from here. Now let's add another layer to your website by generating a blog post page. Share your thoughts, expertise, and connect with your audience in a whole new way. Follow these steps with me and get your blog post page. Remember that in a free plan, you got 3 chances of post per month. Now your blog post page is generated. Let's connect your blog post page with your website of homepage by adding it on header. A brand is not complete without a logo. Head over to Canva and design a logo that represents your unique identity. Let's make your brand visually appealing. I already create the logo, but in short, I show you how I do it. And if you want the detailed video how to design logo with creative using AI tools, then comment below and like this video. Now let's add logo into your website, which will show on header and footer. Ensure your website reflects your brand name by setting up the name and update settings to publish the website in the settings. This small step adds professional touch to your online presence. Congratulations creators, you have completed all steps. Now let's open your website on another browser and see it in action. And there you have it, an incredible journey from sign up to fully functional website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and share your website creation experience in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.